Wow, against 1500 elo players, I have some chances. Maybe. Let's go. And now he played another stupid move. Many players played this one because he didn't know his set about the opening. This is very dubious actually setup. I have a lot of ideas. I can grab space at some point. I can continue developing my pieces. I'm waiting a little bit what he's going to do. Maybe I have this extremely solid setup, exchanging this knight and then put my pawns on the dark squares, and we're going to see, right? Why not? It's another strategy. Yeah, I just say that I'm going to play this, and I'm not opening the center for that bishop. He's a very stupid bishop actually, and maybe I have this move or that move. Yeah, I'm threatening that pawn, because if you just castle I can take, and after this I can take the knight, so you don't have time to take this one. And he castle king side, queen side. Oh my god, what he is doing. I can exchange. Maybe I have this bishop d2 b5. Maybe just developing, right? Wow, he just shocked me right now. He just completely shocked me. I wasn't expecting that move. What can I do? Just development, right? I didn't see how can I beat him right now, so just develop the pieces. What else we can do? Long castling, my goodness. And now what are you going to do? Are you going to take here, giving your dark square bishop? Because I'm planning to attack on dark squares. He cannot really just give up the bishop. Okay, let's see what he's going to play. Maybe he's going to sacrifice something on d5. Rook d8, exchanges here, knight takes d5 and things like this. I'm going to stop him. I'm not going to allow that. Oh, what a move, my god. Queen there, what he is threatening, why he played this move? I don't have a clue. Really now, I don't have a clue. I'm going to play this, bishop d2, d5, d4. The knight has to go away, I can take there, it's a checkmate. So I'm going to play this, bishop d2, d4, right? What he's going to do, I don't know. Let's see with interest what he's going to play. This is, okay, falling into my plans. I'm going to take that pawn. Yeah, it's not fantastic that I close my bishop, blah, 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 but pawn is a pawn. Pawn has a value. Let's take this juicer on a2. Yeah, this is it. We cannot create a checkmate, obviously. Maybe we can start running something like this. Queen on d6. Lovely. And what are you threatening? No one can understand. Can I trap the queens here or something like trapping? I don't know. It's a threat. He has to go here. It is a5. He's threatening this. So how can we continue attacking? I have this and he cannot take because I have rook b8 and I can take there. So let's continue attacking. My knights are fantastically placed there, and I'm planning to play rook b8. What are you going to do now? Just exchanges like a chicken. Okay, but this is lost position, right? Oh, little disappointed. Why this is happening right now? I don't like to win in 10 million moves. I'd like to win right now, right here. Let's give up. Let's give up this one. Why not? He's desperately trying to open up the lines, but let's open up the lines for myself. Or I'm doing stupid things because he has this pawn. Why just capture there? I can't understand. I'm playing stupid moves. Why I'm playing his game actually? Okay, I played some stupid moves right now. This wasn't nice because he has this one. He's going to play some stupid checks or things like this. Come on right now. Yeah, you have. Oh, you just lost the pawn. It was very bad. Let's castle because castling is very good. I'm threatening this, but hopefully, or I'm expecting him to stop it. What to do now? Maybe I can go there. Maybe I can play f6. Maybe I can go here. Yeah, exchanging this bishop is nice. This is a stupid move. Maybe I can, yeah, a stupid move. Immediately. If you see how to say, threat in one move. He's going to play threat in one move. Now I'm threatening this one. He just captured my knight. No, I have this. You have to exchange, giving more squares on a3 or things like this. I'm enjoying chess right now because I have a very cool position. And now he has double attack. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's play here. He's going to take. I'm going there. Is this winning? I have just a check. He has to go here. Yeah, and I have very less time again. Maybe I'm going to lose the game badly again with 1700 player. I enjoyed myself very much, so I'm losing here, I guess. Very bad chess. Very bad quality. But what we can do? It's not a real threat or something. Yeah, he's continuing. Oh, it's a mate or almost a mate. Why I went there, I don't know. Yeah, let's take the rook actually. What? He blundered the rook. My god, he's blundered the bishop. What he's doing? I'm going to win this game. Out of nowhere. What was this disaster? What was this disaster? Disaster. Very bad chess. Very bad chess. They're going to throw us tomatoes and yogurts. Oh my god, so bad chess. Okay.
If you like this video, you're very welcome to follow me on Twitch, live streamings every Tuesday and Thursday, 1900 Greek time. Be there.